Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2012 Honda Goldwing GL 1800. This is the audio comfort version, heated grips, AM/FM stereo. It's also equipped with a V-Stream windscreen, fog lamps, LEDs. It's got a rear luggage rack in the trunk top, LED brake light, 100,000 miles, beautiful blue and silver metallic. This bike runs perfectly. Come on by and check it out. Make your Goldwing dreams come true for just $99.99. This bike is over $3,000 below book value. Price to sell. Don't miss out. Check out the LED flashers in the front. That way they'll see you coming. Don't wait on this one. It's not going to be here long. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.